Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.7, Problem 21. This is Section 1.7, Problem 21. We have 888 divided by 3, or you could read it as 3 goes into 888 how many times? Well, the 888 is a big enough number that you're not going to just be able to see the answer in your head like you can with a smaller problem. So you have to really go through this the long way if you don't have a calculator. So you would do 3 goes into 8 how many times? Well, the closest you'll get is 2. So you put the 2 on the top, and then you multiply 2 times 3. The result of 2 times 3 is 6. So you write that underneath the 8. And now you will subtract 8 minus 6, which will give me a 2. And now you go over one digit to the right and bring down that digit, which is an 8. You put it next to the 2. That'll give you a 28. And now you ask how many times will 3 go into that 28? As close as you'll get is 9. So I'll put a 9 up on top, and then I will multiply 9 times 3. That will give me a 27. 9 times 3 is 27. And now I'll subtract 28 minus 27. That'll give me a 1. And now I go over one more digit to the right and bring that digit down, which is another 8, and I put it just next to the one that I had before. That'll make an 18. And now 3 will go into 18 how many times? Well, actually, it goes in exactly 6 times. So I write a 6 on the top. 6 times 3 is 18. If I subtract, I get a remainder of 0. So 3 will go into 888 296 times. And you could check it. 296 times 3, sure enough, will be 888.